Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this shop system that I have. It's a sample shop, and as you can see we have a wide variety of different products that are available, different designs, layouts, colours, etc., which is absolutely beautiful. Different sizes, so ladies can order a whole number of different products from this and get feedback, etc. That's great, but one of the things I need to know when I go into the shop area is effectively what people are actually showing an interest in, because that's kind of the key thing to me. And the reason why I'm looking at this particular setup is because at this moment in time this does not have analytics. So I'm going to add a new item of plugin, and I'm going to add Google, excuse me, Site Kit. There's a number of other things there that may be of interest as well, for example translation, if you're dealing with a number of different customers, and that may well be added to the site in due course. But in this instance we're looking at Site Kit, and there we go, start setting it up. So I'm about to set it up for Google Analytics. And it will go through a series of processes here where we actually have to verify that we're all interconnected, which is not a problem. As you see, you can see it going through the process of 1 to 4. Now it's connecting. At this moment in time, as I make this particular video, it's going to be a new option, and this is the reason why it's so important right now. As you can see, the transfer from GA4 Universal Analytics property is quite an important time. So we're going to just generate that. Well, this in actual fact takes us into the back end of the analytics setup. So and there we go, we've been set up for analytics, and the visits will now start being recorded all ready for us, and hopefully this will provide the opportunity of seeing exactly what's going on in due course. My name's John Ferris. I am currently trying to make a number of videos in connection with analytics. This is being the startup one, or sites one. Hopefully it's been of some use.